Lovely viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are coming to you from Tanoso in the Abuakwa-Tanoso district of the Ashanti region. We are going to show you how works on the Tanoso Abuakwa road is ongoing now after its construction began. The Abuakwa-Tanoso Sofu Line Road is a major route that connects the Ashanti region to the western north, Ahafo, Bono East, and Bono regions. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I will entreat you to click on the red subscribe button, wait for some few minutes, you will see a notification bell, click on it, and select all to become part of this amazing family. This dual carriage road, which was part of the Sofu line to Abuakwa road, started 12 years ago, but the project was abandoned. Please also do well to comment, like, share this video for others to watch. The contractors for the project is the China Geo company, who also constructed the Sofu line interchange. As at now, work is progressing from the pass of Tanoso to Abuakwa, as you can witness from our drone footage. This work, when completed, is going to do a lot of great good to the people of Abuakwa, and it's going to promote trade in this area and the central business district. As at now, the construction is just towards reducing the perennial congestion on that stretch of road. Work on the road began some few years ago, while it was being abandoned for so many years since the Sofu line interchange project was halted. The whole of this stretch of road, which was supposed to be part of this amazing Sofu line interchange project, which was geared towards reducing traffic situation from Abuakwa to Sofu line, was all halted, and the whole project began again years like 2 or 3 years ago. And as you can see from the shots right now, it is almost completed. Some parts of the road is already tarred, and others is waiting to be tarred as gutters and leveling of the road is being done. Please, if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to the channel, I will entreat you to click on the red subscribe button, wait for some few minutes, you will see a notification bell, click on it and select all to become part of this amazing family. It is my belief that this time around the project will be completed to help ease the rampant traffic congestion or situation on the road. Even as at now, my visit to this place made me realize that since the construction or the completion of some portions of the road, the situation has somehow been minimal as compared to the past. Currently, where you are seeing your shots right now is the Yasantua area. The poor road system made it commuting through this place very difficult some few years back, but now commuting through this particular stretch of road is becoming somehow okay due to the construction progress or the construction work which is ongoing now. Please sit back, watch this video, and do well to watch the channel's other videos, and please share, like, comment on all our videos.